Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Easter egg nail design step by step guide. Easter brings a delightful assortment of combinations. Queen Elizabeth II and a matching hat, chocolate and bennies. The thrill of the hunt and candy. Now we are bringing you one more Easter and springy nail design ahead. Check out favorite style and try the official pastel holiday. Number one design is frosted lilac. Fed a metallic polish onto a bare nail for a frosted ombre look. If you want to make a Easter beautiful design, why wait until Easter to decorate eggs? With this cute nail design, you can decorate your nails with your favorite Easter egg creations. Number one step you should have to follow step by painting each of your nails with pastel nail polishes. Step number two, using a thin nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw straight line across your nails. Step number 3, using the same tool and nail polish and wavy lines, add wavy lines, zigzag lines and dots between the straight lines. Step number 4 is remove any extra nail polish if landed on your skins. Step number 5, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Vintage floral, starting with the nude base, hand paint your nails and optionally your fingers in a vintage floral pattern. Your grandmom's scotch, our tip is to paint one color at a time of your entire hand with a thin brush, letting it dry before moving on a new polish. Hope you today's like my video. If you like, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.